Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, y'all know what it is. It's M World Entertainment. I'm out here in Paris, France, and it's my second day here. I didn't get out and do much today because I woke up to this. Beautiful snow day in Paris. I'm out here. I'm dressed warm, but not gonna be long with you guys. Just wanted to show you how beautiful it is out here. Way different from where I come from. I've come here visiting from Las Vegas. Totally different atmosphere. I'm dressed really warm, so I'm not really that cold. But yeah, something new. Out the way. Just going for a short walk. Let you guys see what I see. It is coming down. Can't even see the sidewalk. Find the sidewalk. No, it's deep. It's getting deeper. Beautiful snow day. We're in Paris, France. But don't forget to thumb up the quick video. Don't forget to show some love. Like the video. Like the video. That's really help your brother. Just to like the video. And subscribe if you like. Comment if you want. Yeah, we're in Paris, France. Full of snow. Full of snow day. I want to show you guys a little bit of what's going on and what I see. And I'm pretty warm. Yeah. Maybe the hands a little chilly, but I'm pretty warm. Yeah, I haven't been snow like this in a long time. Long time. This is nice, it's beautiful. Maybe I can't show you guys a bunch of activity. I can show you this beautiful snow. White as far as the eyes can see. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like the videos. I'm going to end the video right here. Get in somewhere, get me some hot coffee, chillax, and figure out my plans for later. I'll holler at y'all in a few. Peace.